Today, we're on a mission to supercharge your YouTube Shorts creation with the power of AI. This is your chance to create faceless, engaging content that explodes in popularity without needing fancy cameras or pro editing skills. Let's kick things off by building a strong brand identity. Your channel name is your first impression, so it needs to be catchy, memorable, and relevant to your fashion niche. Here, we can leverage the creative spark of Gemini by Google. Imagine searching for something specific, like edgy street-style names for a YouTube channel. Within seconds, Gemini conjures up a list of unique options you won't find anywhere else. Think names that incorporate keywords like streetwear or grunge, or names that use wordplay related to clothing or fashion trends. You can pick one that perfectly captures your channel's essence, or use it as a springboard to brainstorm your own, even more creative ideas. Next, craft a short but impactful channel description that grabs attention and tells viewers exactly what your content is about. Gemini by Google can also help here. Describe your channel's vibe and content using a few engaging sentences that make viewers want to learn more. For example, if your channel focuses on affordable, on-trend fashion finds, your description could say something like, "Looking for stylish outfits that won't break the bank? We show you how to rock the latest trends with budget-friendly pieces you can find anywhere." Don't forget to spice things up with emojis to add personality. Use clothing emojis, sunglasses emojis, or even fire emojis to visually represent your channel's content. Now, let's dive into the heart of your shorts, the scripts. We want something that sounds natural, hooks viewers from the start, and keeps them glued to the screen. While Gemini by Google isn't specifically designed for scripts, we can get creative. Imagine explaining your video concept to a friend and letting Gemini help you articulate it in a clear and captivating way. For example, if your short is about styling a pair of statement boots, you could explain your ideas to Gemini, and it might generate something like, "Obsessed with those statement boots but not sure how to wear them? We've got 3 easy outfit ideas to turn those boots into the stars of your wardrobe." The visuals are what bring your script to life. Here's where AI image generators like Leonardo.ai come in. Let's say your script mentions different ways to style a specific jacket. You can describe the kind of imagery you envision to Gemini by Google, and it will churn out text prompts specifically tailored for Leonardo.ai. Think collages showcasing the jacket paired with different outfits, or close-up shots of various accessories that complement the jacket's style. And to ensure a consistent visual style throughout your shorts, don't forget to utilize Leonardo.ai's image guidance feature. Now, let's set the mood with some royalty-free music and sound effects. Websites like Pixabay offer a treasure trove of options, so you can find the perfect audio elements to match the tone of your shorts. Think upbeat and trendy music for a video about styling statement pieces, or calming and sophisticated music for a video about timeless wardrobe essentials. You can even add sound effects like zippers whooshing or fabric rustling to further enhance the viewing experience. The editing magic happens next. Tools like CapCut allow you to stitch everything together seamlessly. We'll trim any unnecessary pauses in the voiceover to keep the pace dynamic and viewers engaged. CapCut also boasts handy auto captions, making your content accessible to everyone. CapCut also has a variety of transitions you can use to add polish and flow between your visuals. And if your visuals are shorter than your voiceover, you can easily loop them in CapCut to match the audio length. Don't underestimate the power of a captivating thumbnail. Canva is your secret weapon here. Repurpose eye-catching elements from your shorts and combine them with clear, concise text using Canva. This will make your shorts stand out in a crowded search feed. For example, if your short focuses on styling statement boots, your thumbnail could feature a close-up image of the boots alongside bold text that says 3 boot outfit ideas. The final step? Search engine optimization. Tools like vidIQ can help you research trending keywords related to fashion. Integrate these keywords strategically into your title, description, and tags. This will make your shorts more discoverable by viewers searching for specific fashion content. With your masterpiece complete, it's time to upload it to YouTube and unleash it on the world. But creating awesome content is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's talk monetization. Once you meet YouTube's requirements, you can enable ads on your shorts and start generating revenue. But that's not all. You can also explore creating branded merchandise, featuring your own fashion sense, like t-shirts with your channel logo or tote bags with your favorite outfit collages. You can even promote relevant products through affiliate marketing. like partnering with online clothing retailers or accessory brands. Here are some bonus tips to keep your shorts game strong. Leverage trending sounds and hashtags to get discovered. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments and polls. Experiment with different video styles and formats like hauls, try-on videos, or trend breakdowns. And most importantly, maintain a consistent upload schedule to build a loyal following. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and a keen eye for style. Keep learning, be patient, have fun with the process, and express your unique fashion perspective through your shorts. Here's the revised ending for the YouTube short, keeping the format concise and engaging for the short video format. Feeling stuck in a style rut? This isn't just a jacket, it's a portal. The Nebula jacket, where galaxies meet your wardrobe. Explore endless possibilities. So what do you think? Did this video spark some creative ideas for your next YouTube short? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content.